What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 39th C++ tutorial. In this tutorial we will talk about plus equal operator. Okay, keep in mind plus equal we are going to do not separately, we're going to do it combine plus equal operator. So let me tell you what this operator actually means. Whenever we have A1 and B2 3, whatever you can say, and then we have A plus B, then it exactly mean is A equals to A plus B. Okay, I'm thinking you're getting it. So it will add the its A's himself value, and then it will add the B value, and then I think the answer would be the 4. So let's check it out in the classes. So class count, and we have private, and we have A and B in the private, and then in the public we have let me see. Okay, we have print function, not void, it should be void. Okay, void print and semicolon. Okay, now a constructor, default constructor, and one parameterized constructor that will set the value, of course. So it have value x and y. Okay, now we have operator name is plus equal, but it's not operator, it's operator. Okay, and in the parameters we have one object, and like this. So okay, let's make another operator of minus. I'm going to copy it and paste and just change the minus sign. Okay, now we're going to do it with the scope resolution. So first of all we're going to define the first print function. So first of all you write the return type, then you write the class name, and then 2 columns, and then you can click here and then define it. Okay, print, it will print the both properties of class, which is A and B. Okay, now it is printed, you can see over here. Now it's time for first default constructor, which is count, and I already tell you count the constructor, and the constructor doesn't have any return type. So click here and okay, it will do nothing. Or you can set the default value, like I have 1 and 1. Okay, you can set it to the 0, or you can do nothing here. Okay, so it's time for second constructor, which will set the value. Okay, int x and integer y. Okay, it will set. So for that we need this A equals to x. Okay, now as you can see over here, A's value will be setted with reference to x. Okay, now A's value assigned, so it's time for B's value. B will be equals to y. Okay, now you can check the both values are assigned. So it is time for, I think it's time for operator. Yeah, okay, operator have return type count, and then count for scope resolution, and then just click here count and obj. Let me see, we write here obj. Okay, okay, now define it, and in the definition I have already tell you what is exactly plus equal operator. So this x equals plus equal, you can also write here plus equal, and then just write the other A. Okay, let me change it, it's not x, it is A. So, or the other way to write the same thing is B equals to obj.b, and it will add to this b. So this is another way to write the same thing, and this is another way. So now I'm going to copy it because minus operator is just same thing. So just change the sign, and here, okay, here. Okay, I think you have done a lot of work. So it is time for main, and I'm going to make first constructor which will set the value 2 and 3, and the second object which will set the value, let me see, okay, 5, 6. Okay, now I am going to call the plus equal operator, so a plus equals b. Okay, then I'm going to operate it to check. Okay, you can see that's how you call the plus equal operator. So whenever this line executed, it will call the plus equal operator definition. You can check it. So I'm going to compile it, and we got 7 and 9. Okay, I think it's answered right. As you can see right here, 5 and 2, whenever both are added, the answer is 7, and then 6 and 3, answer 9. So let's check it for minus 1. Again compile, and we got minus 3 plus 3. Okay, 2, let me see why it does minus 3. Okay, let me check it. Okay, I got it. Or you can see over here, I write this b before the minus sign, and you should write it after the minus sign, because this object will be going to minus to the second one object. So again compile it, and we got it, minus 3 and minus 3. You can check it. 2 minus 5 equals to minus 3, and 3 minus 6 equals to minus 3. So that's how you do the plus equal and minus equal operator. So in the next tutorial we're going to cover I stream and O stream. So I think you should learn that. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.